Hello, good morning, students. Today we start with, after noun and pronoun, we start with verbs today. And as I had told you before, that a sentence cannot be complete unless we have a verb in it. Verb means kriya, as you all know. And I give you the definition of verb. Verb is a doing word, right? Second, verb tells us about the action of noun or pronoun. So Ram is playing, Radha is dancing. So this is dancing or playing or singing or talking. These are all telling us about the action of the person, and therefore they are verbs. And I give you example, as I said, talking and walking and run and eat and sleep. They are all verbs, and verb is the main word in the sentence, and a sentence cannot be complete without a verb. So that thing you have to keep in mind. The birds makes no sense, but I say birds fly. The moment you are adding a verb to it, it makes a sense. It's giving a significance to the sentence, right? Now, talking of verbs, let me tell you, there are 16 kind of verbs which are basically used in English, in basic English. What are they? First, be, do, have, come, go, see, seem, give, take, keep, make, put, send, say, let, get. So these are the 16 kinds of verbs. And talking of verbs, we should be knowing that there are basically couple of verbs when we make sentences, and the important type of verbs are the regular verb, the irregular verb, the linking verb, the transitive verb, intransitive verb, finite verb, and infinite verb. Alright, but first we are going to stick to regular and irregular verbs, because what I am still doing with you is sentence pattern, the structure of sentence and how we make sentence. And as I said, we had started with parts of speech, and I had given you all the parts of speech, and also had been explaining to you what is a subject. Generally the subject is a noun or a pronoun. So, and then we have the verbs. So we will today only discuss the regular and the irregular verbs, and in a different topic I will be explaining the transitive and intransitive, finite and infinite verbs to you, right? Okay? So regular verbs, let me give you the rules. There are two kinds of verbs, as I said. Now what are the regular verbs? Regular verbs need a T or a D or a ED to change into past tense, right? Now D, suppose I say Ram sits. So sit and sits, okay? Now Ram sit and, but here Ram sit and Ram sat, if you change the sentence to past tense, but in that sense it will become an irregular verb. First example of regular verbs. Regular verb, I sleep in the night. So I slept in the night. Past tense बनाने के लिए we just change sleep to slept. I slept in the night is a regular verb. I work and worked hard. I work hard and I worked hard. Now that is also example of regular verbs. In case of irregular verbs, they need only a change in their vowels. Vowels क्या होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Alright. Now as I said earlier, I had given example quickly. So that is sit and sat, eat and ate, drink and drank. तो आपको पास्ट टेंस करने के लिए सिर्फ क्या करना पड़ता है? आई ड्रिंक वाटर, आई ड्रैंक वाटर. आपका सेंटेंस क्या हो गया? तो चेंज द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट टेंस टू पास्ट टेंस. So what you have done, you are generally using the irregular verbs. Now let me go to the regular verbs first and give you a lot of examples. Here you have, and I have put on some words like bring. So you have bring, brought and brought. buy, bought and bought. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, नॉट जस्ट ए ई आई ओ यू, यू आर ऑल्सो चेंजिंग द कॉन्सोनेंट. ओके, कैच, कॉट, कॉट, फील, फेल्ट, फेल्ट, find, found, found, get, got, hear, heard, keep, kept, make, made, read, read, say, said, sell, sold, teach, taught, think, thought, win, won. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल है irregular verbs. This is example of regular verbs, and now I give you some example of irregular verbs, and they are fall, fell, fallen, feel, fed, fall, fell, fallen, fight, fought, find, found, fly, flew, flown. Okay. Then the most common irregular verbs are awake, be, blow, build, buy, catch. So awake, awoke, be का क्या होता है फॉर्म was or verb, blow, blew, build, buy, bought, catch, caught, quit, read, read, ride, rode, run, ran, say, said, seek, sought. तो ये सारे irregular verbs हुए. Then there is another chart I have where I put both the regular and the irregular verbs for you, and there are examples. Answer, answered, ये regular verb है. Ask, asked, boil, boiled, believed, loved, compared, and then you have cry, play, dress, fill, followed, gathered, help, joke, kiss, meet, obtain, replace, snore and visit. In case of irregular verbs, look at it carefully. You have begin, began and begin. Now what is happening यहाँ पे irregular verbs पे? The change is in the article. अब article क्या है? begin is, and then you have just past tense करने के लिए began, and past participle begun. Alright. Same break, क्या किया? broken. Blow, blew, blown, build, cost, do, did, done, eat, ate, eaten, have, had, hold, held, meet, met, pay, paid, run, ran. Okay? So these are examples of irregular and verbs, and then some more examples if you want. You have here. You have beg and copy and dry, hug, marry, play, rely, skip, tip, try, tried, worry, ban, and then irregular verbs begin, began, do, did, done. Come, जो आप इस्तेमाल बहुत करते हैं, come, came, cut, draw, drew, drawn, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, sing, sang, sung. I sang a song. I sing a song. Present tense, I sing a song. Past tense, I sang a song. And past participle, I will. The song has been sung. So that's past participle, and which is another topic which I'll be taking when I do verbs in the next class. And hope it is quite clear. I'll leave you the PPT also, and you can check and make some more sentences. Simple. आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? Article में change जब हो रहा है, when the article is only getting changed, then it is an irregular verb. Start with some example. I do the work. I do the work, मैं काम करता हूँ. I did the work. Okay. I eat the breakfast. I ate the breakfast. सिर्फ आपका क्या चेंज हो रहा है? The vowel is getting changed. And then regular verb में आपको क्या लगाना पड़ता है? Remember, always T, D या ED. Alright, which are given. So you have T, D or ED to change into past tense. Alright, hope the things are clear. The more you practice, the better you will be able to understand it. And I will leave you with some assignments also. Kindly do them, and we'll continue with verbs again in the next class. But I'm still telling you, I am continuing with the sentence patterns, and after verbs we'll move to adjectives. Thank you so much.